Trust Wallet App Review. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-crypto wallet that allows users to store, send, receive, and swap cryptocurrencies securely. It supports millions of assets across multiple blockchains and integrates to FI, NFTs, and staking. As for the installation and setup, download Trust Wallet from the official App Store and then create a new wallet. Make sure to securely back up your 12-word recovery phrase and start adding crypto assets. And also, there are no KYC or account registration required. As of the top 3 key features of this app, going on our number 1 is multi-chain support, that stores and manages millions of assets across multiple blockchains, BTC, ETH, BNB, SOL, etc. Next is built-in dApp browser, it access to FI apps, staking, and NFT marketplaces directly. And lastly is non-custodial security, means users own their private keys, ensuring full control over funds. As for the performance and usability, Trust Wallet is fast, smooth, and beginner-friendly, with a clean UI and quick transactions. It's great for managing multiple assets and using DeFi apps but lacks fiat deposit options and strong customer support. As for the pros and cons, I will only mention the cons, since I said the pros of this app which is included in the top 3 key features earlier. But as for its cons, it has no fiat deposits, meaning it requires an external exchange for fiat to crypto. Second is its limited customer support, means no direct assistance for lost funds. And lastly is security risks with dApps, means using a third-party dApps can expose users to scams. As for the comparison and conclusion, Trust Wallet outperforms MetaMask in multi-chain support but lags behind Coinbase Wallet in fiat integration. It's better for DeFi NFT users but less secure than hardware wallets like Ledger. Overall, it's a top choice for users wanting an easy, non-custodial crypto wallet, but not ideal for fiat transactions or advanced security needs. So I guess that was enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.